Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be making a car sticker using this 001 matte pastel sheet pack. This adhesive vinyl is impressively durable, easy to cut and with strong water resistant and is ideal for decals, wall and window graphics, signage, banner art, scrapbooking, home decor, laptop skins, drinkware decoration, and more. I'm going to be using this pale purple color. For the other two decals, I'm going to use this blue color. With anything else to say, let's get started. I'm here on Civet Studio and I'm already open the design that I'm going to be using. I'm going to make it like 5 inches of width, so I'm going to size it down just like this. I'm going to change the color to a light purple. And now I'm going to send to cut. For this type of vinyl, I'm going to be using the cutting settings that TeckWrap suggests, and is 20 of force, 4 of speed, and the blade depth on 3. Now let's cut our design, and remember that this adhesive vinyl sheet has a protective film, so we have to remove it before we send to cut. And now I'm going to add the other two designs that I'm going to use for the other decals. I will size them down to the size that I want for them. And now I will send to cut. Now that I'm done cutting all my designs, I'm going to do the weeding process for all of them. Now let's place all the designs on the card. I'm going to be placing first the light, and remember to always clean the area before you place the decal. Once you have placed your design, remove the transfer tape slowly. Now let's do the same with the other two designs. And here's the final result of all of our card stickers. If you liked today's video, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye!